Assalamu alaikum दोस्तों. Welcome all. Day 6 of 21 days meditation course, and without any delay, let us go into meditation, and after meditation we will have an interactive talk. Okay, so if anybody can turn on their videos, you can turn on their videos, so it will be helpful for me to guide you if you are sitting correctly or not. If not, that is also fine. Yeah, so take a very comfortable posture wherever you're sitting. Cross your hands, fingers into fingers like this, and put it on your lap. Now close your eyes. Just be with your breath, friends. Just be with your natural, normal, soft breath. Have no thoughts whatsoever. Just become aware of your breath. Us all became wonderful creators of our own life. The more we practice meditation, the better creators we become. So just relax yourself, forget about everything that is happening around you. It happened in the past. Just be here, completely still, undisturbed, and with your breath. Your breath is your greatest companion. Your breath is your friend that is there with you all the time. Let us all be grateful of that breath. Let us experience our breath. Whenever you have a thought, peacefully bring back your attention back to your breath. Do not fight with your thoughts. Whatever is happening, just be an observer of it. Be a witness to it. Just be with your breath, friends. There'll be wonderful music that will help you to stay connected with your breath. Please do not open your eyes. The moment you open your eyes, it takes a lot of time to go back to that state. Breath. your normal, natural breath. Dive deep within yourself, friends. Last 1 minute, friends. Become aware of your surroundings, of your body. Last 30 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now slowly place your both hands over your eyes. Slowly remove your hands and you may open your eyes. Welcome back, friends. I hope you all had a peaceful and beautiful meditation. Yes, if there is anybody who wants to share their experience, you can just raise your hand and I'll unmute you. Yes, Dua.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
कैसी हैं आप?
मैं बड़ी हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ। आज मैंने पहले हैंड रेज किया क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा एक्साइटेड मैं ही हूँ। आज मुझे
वाह,
बहुत मतलब इस मेडिटेशन की वजह से मैं इससे मुझे ये जो टाइम मिलता था मुझे, मैं इसमें वैसे नैप लेती थी, रेस्ट करती थी, लेकिन अब मुझे समझ में आया कि मुझे उस रेस्ट की जरूरत नहीं है। मेडिटेशन मुझे एक तरह का रेस्ट ही दे रहा है। मतलब अभी मुझे बहुत सुकून फील हुआ जैसे मैंने एक नैप ही ले ली हो।
वाह,
आज मैं मेडिटेशन नहीं करना चाहती थी क्योंकि मैं बहुत टायर्ड थी, एंजाइटी हो रही थी, मुझे फ्रस्ट्रेटेड भी थी। फिर मैंने सोचा कि मेडिटेशन तो मैं खुद के लिए कर रही हूँ और वैसे भी ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन एंजाइटी को दूर कर देगी। सो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मैंने आज मेडिटेशन, मुझे सबसे ज्यादा आज अच्छा लगा, कल से भी ज्यादा।
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल दुआ।
बहुत
एक्चुअली
मजा।
ये 21 डेज जो है ये उसको कुछ भी होने तो ब्रेक नहीं करनी चाहिए। वी हैव टू, जो भी कुछ भी होने दो, आई मीन लाइक हमारे सराउंडिंग्स, हमारे फैमिली में या फिर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स होने दो, वी शुड नॉट स्टॉप डूइंग इट, क्योंकि ये हमने तय कर लिया है कि हम अपने लिए कुछ समय बिताएंगे दिन में। तो कुछ ब्रेक पड़ेगा तो फिर बाद में उसके पास जाने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगेगा। यू नीड दैट मोटिवेशन। सो इंस्टेड यू कंटिन्यू डूइंग दिस फॉर 21 डेज एंड आपको फर्क पड़ेगा, यू नो लाइक चेंज दिखाई देगा आपको ये 21 डेज के बाद, एंड देन यू कैन कंटिन्यू।
आपको पता है आज आज मुझे सबसे ज्यादा मतलब पता चला कि मेडिटेशन मेरे लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है। मतलब होता है ना कि हमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, फिर हम मेडिटेशन क्यों ले, मेडिटेशन कौन सा फायदा दे रही है, आज पता चला कौन सा फायदा दे रही है।
वेरी हैप्पी फॉर यू दुआ। एंड जैसे कि मैंने कल बोला था, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू एवरीबडी हियर दैट मेंटेन अ जर्नल। यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग योर एक्सपीरियंसेस कि मेडिटेशन में क्या एक्सपीरियंसेस हो रहे हैं या फिर दिन में कैसा आपका दिन चला, वो सब आप एक बुक रखिए एंड उसमें सब ये सब लिखिए। इट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल। ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच दुआ।
थैंक यू।
वेरी हैप्पी फॉर यू। या यस डॉक्टर अनीता।
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening. Very good
How are
evening.
you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine too. मैम एक्चुअली में आज मैंने क्लिनिक से ऑफ किया था और मेरा आज एक पेपर था, ऑनलाइन मैं क्लासेस ले रही हूँ। वो भी साइकोलॉजी पे ही है, काउंसलिंग
ओके।
उस पे मेरा जो है वो 2 पेपर्स थे मेरे एंड रियली आई वाज़ वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड अबाउट दैट।
हाँ
पेपर कितनी भी बड़ी एज हो जाए, पेपर पेपर ही होता है, स्ट्रेस होता है उस चीज़
जी।
का ना। तो बहरहाल अभी मेरा जो है वो पौने 6 बजे क्लास खत्म हुई है। मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस थी कि पता नहीं लिखा तो ठीक है सब कुछ, मगर ये है कि जैसे ही मैंने आपकी मेडिटेशन स्टार्ट की, रियली आई कांट बिलीव कि वो सारा स्ट्रेस रफू हो गया।
हाँ
और जो मतलब मैं फ़ील कर रही थी कि ये हो सकता है, ये गलत है, हो सकता है ये राइट है, ये ऐसे है, ये वैसे है। जो थॉट्स आ रहे थे सब खत्म हो गए और आज का जो म्यूज़िक था रियली अमेज़िंग।
हाँ
म्यूज़िक जो था मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था मैं सारी चीज़ें छोड़ के किसी ब्यूटीफुल नदी के किनारे झूले पे झूल रही हूँ, कोई म्यूज़िक बजा है, मैं एन्जॉय कर रही हूँ। रियली में मुझे
हाँ।
सब कुछ भूल गया और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि बस जैसे इंसान का नया जन्म हो गया हो।
वाह
फीलिंग फ्रेश बिल्कुल,
वाह
सो
वाह
अमेजिंग।
डॉक्टर अनिता, very happy for you. Yes.
थैंक
Yes,
यू
very
मैम।
happy for you. Yes, this is what meditation does. We don't have to do anything. We just have to empty our mind and be still at one place in silence, and then rest everything will be taken care. And I'm very happy for you, what you have experienced. Yes, meditation जैसे कि बोलते हैं ना, like हर एक दिन नया दिन है, like जब हम उठते हैं, like after we get up from the bed, it is a new day. So the same thing happens, like it's like it's a new life each time when we sit in meditation, and when we come out of it, it's like a new thing happened in us. जैसे कि कुछ change हुआ है हमारे अंदर, and I'm very happy that you have noticed it, Dr. Anita. That is our state, जैसे कि that is our true state, to be in that stillness, to be happy always. एक मास्टर बोलते हैं, like if we are suffering in life, that means we are like the fish who is put out of the ocean. जैसे कि वो फिश को कितना तकलीफ होता है पानी से बाहर आके, वो वो तड़पता है कि उसकी जगह पानी पानी में जाने के लिए है। उसकी उसकी द fish belongs to the water, so it is not supposed to be on the ground. So the pain that fish goes through, so many of us are going through the same pain because we are suffering. That is not our actual state. Our real state is reaching to the ocean, being in the ocean, that is the ocean of love, that ocean of compassion, the ocean of happiness. So this is what happens in meditation. So we become that fish who is put in the ocean. At least for some time we will experience that joy. So that every day when we sit in meditation for some time, when we are experiencing this little joy, so when you practice every day, the joy will be increased also in the day. You are no more the fish who is suffering. You are the fish who is always happy. Yeah. So very happy for you, Dr. Anita. Thank you so much. Yes. And I request now Payal ji. Yes.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
Can you hear me properly?
Yes, I can hear you well. Please go ahead.
Oh, okay. So today was my second session.
Mhm.
मैंने अपनी कजिन को बताया था कि मुझे भी मेडिटेट करना है, तो वो आपका पहले ही सेशन ले रही थी, तो उन्होंने मुझे आपका बताया।
Okay.
तो कल वाज माय फर्स्ट सेशन, तो कल तो बहुत मजा आया, मतलब मैंने बहुत फोकस करके किया एंड लेकिन मुझे कुछ कल ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे बॉडी मेरी कुछ हैवी हो गई थी, और फर्स्ट सेशन था शायद इसीलिए वो समझ नहीं आया कि मेरी बॉडी जो है वो हैवी फील कर रही थी। अदरवाइज मुझे बिल्कुल मतलब जैसे नींद आ जाती है बिल्कुल वैसे ही हो गया था।
Mhm.
मुझे मेडिटेट इसलिए करना था क्योंकि अभी लाइफ में मैंने मतलब रिसेंटली इंसिडेंट्स ऐसे हो रहे हैं जो मतलब मैं एनजाइटी की मतलब जैसे मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, तो उसको दूर करने के लिए तो स्लोली मैं आपका सेशन लेती जाऊंगी, रोज कोई ना कोई सवाल पूछती जाऊंगी कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए और ये सब। लेकिन आज मैं बिल्कुल फोकस नहीं कर पाई, आई डोंट नो व्हाई। म्यूजिक भी बहुत अच्छा था, मैंने ट्राई भी किया 2-3 दफा, 2-3 से भी ज्यादा, लेकिन आज मैं पता नहीं क्यों फोकस नहीं कर पाई, शायद टाइम ज्यादा था इस वजह से। मुझे समझ में नहीं आया। कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन दिस?
Okay. So yes, that is for the first thing that you have shared, Payalji, that you felt heaviness in your head or your body. It is very common experience that we have. So when we empty our mind, we go into that deep state of relaxation, and when we are in that relaxed state, we get so much of energy from the nature or the cosmos. So that is where we feel heaviness in our body, or the heaviness can be sometimes healing as well. Suppose our head is already paining, normally, and when the energy enters into our body, it starts to go there and it starts to heal at that region. So that's where we feel heaviness, or we feel paining
Okay.
in some places in our body. So that's a good sign. जो भी होता है meditation में अच्छा ही होता है. And but the other thing, the second thing that you have shared is that you are not able to focus today. As we all know, every day is a new day, and every day it's a new experience. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that yesterday you had a beautiful experience, so that today also it will be the same. So the main thing is sitting in meditation is important. Not doing is wrong. So
Okay.
sitting in meditation as long as you can is important. So कुछ भी होने दो बगल पे, like but keep your eyes closed, and yes, I understand that it is very challenging. Initially it is really challenging to close our eyes क्योंकि हमने कभी भी we did not do that. We did not close our
Yes.
eyes क्योंकि डर लगता है हमको कि आंखें बंद कर देते हैं तो कितना ख्याल आते हैं, कितना सोच, how many thoughts that we see. So हमको डर लगता है कि हमारे अंदर क्या चल रहा है. तो इसीलिए we don't like to close our eyes when we are in the
Yes, exactly.
wakeful state. So this is the challenge. So when you see what is happening in your mind, then only you can stop it, right? So if you
Yes,
don't
yes.
see it in the day, they are all running in the background. I told in the first day or the second day that for a common person, we have 60,000 to 90,000 thoughts in our day. So where are those thoughts coming from? And each thought is an energy. That's why we are getting stressed and tired. So what
Yes.
happens in meditation is when we close our eyes, we see what is happening, what kind of thoughts are coming, and we cut the thoughts and we come back to the breath. Again, a thought comes, again, we come back to the breath. So it's a
Yes.
process that we undergo. And in this process, initially it will be painful. Only thing is we have to have patience, and with time you will come out of it. And I also recommend you to practice 10 minutes whenever you find time in the day. Just close your eyes for 10 minutes, put an alarm, and then just close your eyes for 10 minutes. So if you feel that this half an hour or 35 minutes that we did today is long, so start in the other times meditating for 10 minutes or even 5 minutes, or before going to bed 10 minutes. Just try experimenting it, like when you experiment it, then then you will see the results. Because every day when you meditate, the thought frequency goes down. जैसे कि कल आपके पास आपके आपके माइंड में 100 थॉट्स आए हैं, आज 99. So every day when we are with our breath, when we are in that relaxed states, so then the thought frequency goes down and you enjoy time with yourself, then you don't struggle with yourself. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank
So
you.
yes,
Thank you so much.
thank you
I
so much.
enjoyed it yesterday a lot.
Wonderful,
Will
wonderful.
be attending regularly.
Yes, please, and please recommend to your friends as well. Like
Sure, sure.
everybody needs meditation, like, or maybe
Yes.
you can start sharing. They need not to come here. You can start
Yeah,
sharing to them, this is what I am doing, so let us all
exactly.
do.
That's what I was thinking, that I'll be sharing with others because it's
Yes,
really helpful, and
yes,
it will be helpful in future too after
yes,
practicing.
right, yes. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Payal.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, yes, Sanamji.
And
Yes, please. Okay, can you unmute yourself now?
hello,
Hello. Yeah, yes, 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 please go ahead,
नमस्ते
please.
मधु जी, कैसी हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। आपका सेशन बहुत अच्छा है, मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम था आज।
Okay,
और
wow.
बलराज की फ्रेंड हूँ, तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि आज तुमने 2 o'clock के सेशन में ज़रूर जाना है। तो
Mhm.
लेकिन मेरे कुछ क्वेश्चन्स हैं। मैं क्योंकि मैं जॉब करती हूँ, आई वोंट बी एबल टू टेक माय क्लासेस डेली बेसिस एट 2 o'clock। तो कोई आप मुझे बता सकते हैं इसका कोई अल्टरनेटिव मेथड कि मैं आपकी क्लास कैसे अटेंड कर सकूँ?
आप यूके से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं?
जी, मैं यूके से कर रही हूँ।
Okay, okay. So, okay, there is a recordings that are available, so you can just go through the recordings and you just practice it by yourself. And once you know the technique, you can meditate at any time. So the only thing is, in the sessions we have a very good discussions like this. In the sessions we have a topic sharing. So you know, like all these things we will do, and whenever possible, attend live. If not, there is a recording will be posted
But then
always in the group.
okay, so but I won't be able to get the certificate, am I?
I don't know that Master Manoj is the one who is taking care of that. I am here only to share what I know. So certificate part is not for me. I am just so I'll check with Manoj, or maybe you can put this in the group, in the WhatsApp group. I think he will reply with that. Yeah.
Right, okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Yes.
So much.
Wonderful. Yes, Mona ji.
Hello.
Hello, Mona ji.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Yes, you're
I feel
smiling.
good. I feel good whenever I join with you, everyone. Especially when I see Angelica and Pritham, I really feel very good.
Mm,
I also wanted to join my son here
Mm.
for meditation. But if he join, it will be more difficult for me. So I kept him away from me. Let me enjoy first, then I will join him. But at night before sleeping, sometime I try with my 2 children
Yeah.
these things, so that at least they have some knowledge about it.
Mm.
I have some questions that
Yes,
if
please.
I meditate right now, I am meditating in indoor.
Mhm,
But if, as I have garden in my rooftop
mhm,
and I am the gardener,
mhm.
I do take care of my plants.
Wonderful.
So some people I have seen meditate in open air or
Yes.
in their own garden with
Yes.
yoga mat.
Mhm.
Is this made any difference
Okay.
meditating in indoor and outdoor?
Surely it makes a difference, Monaji. You know, like meditating indoors is good, but if we have nature around us, if we have plants around us, so they help us. Like for example, now we are all meditating in the group, right? So the group energy helps. It's 3 times more powerful than you meditate alone. So the same thing, when you meditate in the nature, the whole nature will support you. The whole nature will support you to meditate better. So that's why meditating in the nature is 3 times more powerful. Yeah, that's a right question that you have asked. So yes,
One more thing.
you can sit in your garden. That's very beautiful, and meditate. Yeah.
I have another question that
Mhm.
whenever the music changes, because the background music that you played, it
Mhm.
has a rhythm, and
Mhm.
sometime after a slop the music changes.
Mhm.
Whenever the music changes and or the music finished, you started talking,
Mhm.
I feel shiver. मैं
Natural.
मैं कांप उठती हूँ. I don't know why.
Mhm.
मुझे डर सा लगता है. और
Mhm.
one more thing, sometimes before sleeping or whenever my 2 kids got slept, that time I try to meditate with myself for
Mhm.
10 minutes. I have kept on eyes on I started meditation and see what time is it, and after finishing that I also check the watch that
Mhm.
how much time I have spent. So I don't know, whenever I started meditation at night, डर सा लगता है कुछ. I don't know, but I am trying my best. The good thing is that अब मैं सोचती बहुत कम हूँ और I have nothing to think all over the day. Whenever पहले क्या होता था, मैं फ्री टाइम पर मैं सोचती थी, मेरे पहले I become emotional. I think about my past, my future, everything. But nowadays, for last 15 or 1 month, from where I have started this, I have nothing to think.
Yeah.
And what situation may come in my mind or in my life, on daily life, I try to solve it or do it that time. And after finishing the task, it's gone from my mind, and it's do not come again in my mind.
Mhm.
And it's amazing that I can feel I have no baggage in my mind, and
Yes.
it's a wonderful experience.
Wow.
Seriously.
Wow, very happy for you, Monaji. Very happy for you. And the other thing is, you should not, you're not, there is nothing to get scared of. You know, like, yes, it is very common that that we also experience, you know, like when we are in the deep state, when we are in the deep meditation, and somebody comes and calls you, or somebody comes and touch you, you just feel like that shiver, you know, like you are somewhere else, and you know, like it takes, you know, like suddenly if you are here, that makes you a little, you know, like where am I, you know, suddenly that kind of a feeling it will get. But it's okay, you know, like that is very common to experience that. And that's why I go very slow. I don't maybe from next tomorrow also I will you know, keep my voice really low so that you all can come back very slowly, because sometimes I am sure that, you know, like we don't like to come back. The other thing is we don't like to come back from there,
Right,
because
right.
yes, because we are really enjoying in that space, whatever it is, we are just enjoying there. And if somebody calls you, don't disturb me, I'm enjoying there, you know, like that kind of
yes.
feeling. And it's, you know, like that's why you don't want to, you know, it's like your soul is somewhere else and your body is here. And suddenly if somebody calls you, hey, wake up, then you know, like the soul doesn't want to come up, you know, come to your body. And that's why, you know, it's the conflict that the soul and the body has, that is what you experience, you know. So it's, there is nothing to get scared of, it is very common. So yeah, slowly,
I
slowly
have
it will
last
fade.
one. I need one information. I wanted to, as I couldn't join because I was not aware of the timing, so I missed first 3 classes lecture, whatever you said. So
Mhm.
I searched the YouTube channels,
Mhm.
the beam meditation, the
Oh,
divine meditation, pyramid yoga,
okay.
school, all these channels I have searched yesterday, but I couldn't find our
Ah,
sessions.
are you not in the
And
WhatsApp
more,
group? Are you not in the WhatsApp group?
yes, I am in the
Okay.
WhatsApp group, which is called Divine Meditation.
Okay. So then I think you are in the another group. So you can just share me your number over here in the chat, and then I'll add you to that group so that you get all the recordings, the previous day's recordings. Yeah.
And
Or
you
else, or
said
else,
that,
or else you can
yes,
just check in. Let me type it here, friends. If you're not in the WhatsApp group, I'm typing it here. The YouTube channel name, it's called PMC Pakistan. So in that, in that channel, you will find all these recordings. Yeah. Yeah.
and Miss, you said yesterday that you will gonna send a link of a movie which is very
Oh,
motivational
right,
and
right,
life
right,
changing.
right. I will do that. I will do that today. Yes.
I have given my number, WhatsApp number
Mhm.
in
Okay.
this chat, Zoom chat.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I request you please join
Okay.
me in that group. It will be
Okay.
very helpful for me.
Done. Done. We'll
Thank
do
you
that.
very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Manaji. Wonderful. Yes, Manisha ji.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Very good evening. I'm good. How are you?
I'm feeling better today, ma'am.
That's great.
Today, I want to share what meditation does to me. This I'm quite 2 months. It's been 2 months. I'm practicing meditation.
Mhm.
I want to share my experience. I never shared about it because, ma'am, I don't like speaking. I mean, public
Mm.
speaking, or I actually really fear about it. Still
Mhm.
now, but it's day by day, it's becoming lower. So,
Mm.
and I would like to share first of all that my thought frequency has very become very low,
Good.
and yeah, I mean, before starting meditation, I had to study a lot to understand one thing, or I had to take so many refreshment, and then I mean I can sit for study. But after meditation, I experienced that I just enjoy my study, and comparatively with my other mates, I take
Mm.
less time to understand.
Mm.
Or if I take any any kind of assignment, especially, so it takes less time than anyone else. So
Mm.
that was amazing because I got time for myself more. So at that time, I used to read books, novels actually,
Mhm.
Bengali novels,
Mm.
and that's one thing. And second thing is, ma'am, my panic attacks totally stopped. Before
That's
meditation,
great.
I was Yes, ma'am. I was just into 2020 because of so many thoughts in my mind, many thoughts. So, I mean, tensions. I mean, I used to worry very small matter. In very small matter, I used to just frightened. I mean, oh my God, what will happen? I have done this. Even, I mean, very small situation. In very small situation, I used to get frightened. But now I just feel like it's okay. This happened.
Mm.
It's okay. I will manage. Anyhow, I will manage. Everything will be managed. That's okay. And I used to feel like I will die. I mean, panic at the attacks. I mean, that just I just feel that I will just die, and I could not share it with anyone because my parents are not understanding. They were taking me to, first of all, took me to medicine doctor, but he could not help me. He just told me that go to a psychiatrist. But I have seen that, ma'am, that psychiatrist did not help me. I mean, he did not even give me 10 minutes. He just told me that, okay, tell me your problem. I tried to explain him from the beginning of my problem, but he did not listen to me. He just gave me 4 to 5 medicines, and I was just sleeping all the day. But
Mm.
or and but rest of the time, as I was waking, I was same worry.
Mm.
It was
Mm.
not helping me at all. So I just decided myself that I have to do something for myself. I
Wow.
didn't know how can I seek help. So suddenly I thought that I can seek help to my God, my Lord
Mm.
Krishna. So
Mm.
I tried before him that I want to live. I don't want to know why am I dying. I just want to know how can I live. So
Mm.
suddenly, just I don't know how I just got Master Manoj sir's classes. So
Mm.
after that I joined, but it took time. But little by little, I am getting advantage of it.
Yeah.
And ma'am, I'm sure that panic attack will never happen to me. I do have the confidence that
Mm.
no, I will not be panic, and that situation that it can uh, mm, suffer me, it can just destroy me. I'm sure about it.
Mm.
And still, ma'am, I mean, sometimes I feel very relaxed. I mean, some days it's like wow, I'm enjoying. My life is so beautiful. I'm enjoying, but suddenly something happens. But still, I just become overthinker. Then
Mm.
again, like my peace just break into pieces.
Mm.
I meditate. At that time, I have seen that a lot of thought came in my meditation, and sometimes I just could not focus at my meditation. Sometimes,
Mhm.
I mean, it's like after 10 days. I mean, after almost infrequently. I mean, 10 days later, something happens, and my piece just become break into pieces. And again, I
Mm.
have to regain that by meditation. And
Mm.
then, I mean, this process is still going on, ma'am. But I'm
Yes.
happy that, ma'am, I overcome my situation. I mean, it's little by little, day by day, but
Mhm.
it's happening. Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful, Manisha. Beautiful experiences. I think you have to write it down and share it in the group. So, friends, if at all you find any difference that you're noticing in the day or in your meditation, please write it in the group so that it will inspire many people to practice meditation. And regarding your sharing about the psychiatrist, Dr. Manisha, we had also same experience when we were living in Egypt. So we were having a doctor who was coming for meditation every day. So he was little curious. We were not knowing that he's a psychiatrist. He was like coming every day, and he was seeing people happy for no reason. And he just, like after 40 days of practice of meditation, what he did is he went to his clinic, and every day he used to send his patients to us, and in such a way that in that in the prescription he used to write, go to Madhu and Ram's house, and this is the address and this is the time. So dosage, dosage, we will be it will be like, okay, you have to take this medicine for these many days, right? So that is the dosage. So there the doctor mentions the dosage is 40 days of meditation. So when like from far off places people will come there, who has relationship problems, who has like anxiety issues, or like all these things that they could not come out of it, and they just come and practice with the entire family. They come and they meditate, and then they just leave. So we are just there. We are just there to remind them that how meditation is really beautiful, and the rest they do it on themselves. So it is me. I'm here every day, but how much effort are you putting for yourself? How much truthful are you for yourself? Every day are you sitting in meditation? You're not doing for me, or you're not doing for Master Manoj, you're not doing for the certificate. Please forget about all those things, but do it for yourself. Commit yourself for these 21 days. Like practice it whenever you find time, and you see that like you will be happy, and that is the aim of practicing meditation. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Manisha, for sharing. So I see Uzmaji. Yes, you can unmute yourself, please.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको बहुत बहुत मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहती हूँ कि आपने इतना अच्छा ग्रुप बनाया है कि जिसके अंदर हम इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं। मैं अगर आपको थोड़ा सा इंट्रोड्यूस करवा दूँ कि मैं आज फर्स्ट टाइम बोली हूँ। मैं खुद एक
हाँ।
मेडिटेशन योगा की इंस्ट्रक्टर हूँ, ठीक है, पाकिस्तान में। और मैं योगा की क्लासेस लेती हूँ, और सोल स्पेस से मैंने मेडिटेशन और कुछ इस तरह की क्लासेस ली थी, और पाकिस्तान स्पोर्ट्स बोर्ड से भी। लेकिन जो आपका तरीका है ना, वो इतना मज़े का और इतना डिफरेंट है कि मुझे मतलब मैं एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकती कि मैंने अपने अंदर क्या फ़ील किया। आप यकीन करें कि इतनी एनर्जी, इतना मुझे मतलब मैं इतना अच्छा फ़ील करती हूँ इस क्लास के बाद कि उससे पहले मैं 3 कंसेक्टिव क्लासेस ले रही होती हूँ और मैं खुद इतनी टायर्ड इनफ होती हूँ। लेकिन उसके बाद मुझे लगता है जैसे मेरे अंदर एक बिजली भर गई है, और मैं आपकी इतनी शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ कि आपने ये इतना अच्छा प्लेटफ़ॉर्म बनाया है। एक
हाँ,
सवाल है आपसे, ज़्यादा
जी,
टाइम नहीं लूँगी।
जी,
आपका पूरा नाम मधु जी है ना? मैंने 2-3 दफ़ा मैसेज किया तो वो वहाँ से आता है कि मधु जी का ये नाम नहीं है। मुझे समझ नहीं आई
okay.
इस तरह।
Actually, you want to know my name? My name is Madhu Gajjala. So I'm
जी,
typing
जी।
here. So that is my
या
name. Yeah.
जी,
So
मधु जी। जी,
yes.
जी। सॉरी। मुझे एक सवाल ये करना था कि जब हम लोगों को मेडिटेट करवाते हैं, तो बाज़ दफ़ा ऐसा होता है कि हम खुद ड्रेन हो जाते हैं। मतलब लोग जो होते हैं वो इतने ज़्यादा फ्रेश हो जाते हैं, वो बहुत ज़्यादा काम हो जाते हैं, लेकिन हम जो करवाने वाले होते हैं समटाइम्स वो हम बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी एनर्जीज़ को लो फ़ील कर रहे होते हैं। ऐसा क्यों होता है?
इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल, नो, जिसके पास ज्यादा एनर्जी होता है, तो अगर यहाँ पे हमारी एनर्जी है, दूसरों का एनर्जी यहाँ पे है, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर, इट्स नॉट बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट ब्लेम देम, बिकॉज दे हैव देयर ओन इश्यूज, दैट व्हाई दे फील सो मच टायर्ड. So in our presence they feel happy. So then what happens? They feel uplifted, and our energy will go little down. It is very normal. It is very normal to experience these things, but the only thing that we have to do is, we know meditation. like us, we know meditation. If our energy is low like this, we can raise our energies with more practice of meditation.
Yeah.
These people, they don't know. These people, they are very new to it. So they take some time to come to our level. So we have to be really patient. We have to be really compassionate. And we should not say that, oh, I'm getting tired, like I should not do this. Or maybe this person has so much of negative energy. That's why I feel so much drained or tired or these things. We cannot say it because like we have our like our tool with us, like that super tool is meditation. So we can always go back to meditation. We can raise our energies or go and take shower, whenever you feel tired or drained. That is my way. Whenever
Okay.
I take meditation sessions, and immediately I go and I shower myself, because it makes me completely relaxed. So take that and drink nice water, like give
Yeah.
nice messages to the water, and so that it will raise your energies as well. So it is very common, because I've seen my master, whenever he takes sessions, you cannot see how much he becomes tired. He takes every day, he takes sessions for hundreds and hundreds of people. Physically, he takes. So when he takes those sessions, like at the end, after each session, we could see him, he's very tired. And like after some time, like after some meditation, or after he takes good sleep, then he's again charged for the next session.
Very
So
good.
our job, being like a reminders. I don't call ourselves as a teachers, because there is nothing to teach. Everybody knows everything. So it's just that we are reminding them that that everybody has it in them. So like when we are doing that, like our job is only to do. So whatever happens, if you feel tired or if you feel drained, we have to keep on doing it. And we have to, at the same time, we have to always also take care of ourselves by using these things, like taking showers, or, like enjoying time in the nature, or, just I watch movies, like I give some time for myself, that is my time. Apart from meditation, I just enjoy, so that I don't restrict myself that I should not do this or do not do that. So just enjoy whatever makes you feel that your energy is raising, just go for it. Yeah, it is very common. What you're experiencing is very common. I do experience that. So yeah, it's fine.
जी और मधु जी आप एनर्जीज की बात कर रहे थे तो जैसे कि अब हम लोग बहुत दूर-दूर भी हैं लेकिन हम ज़ूम के थ्रू कनेक्टेड हैं तो इस तरह भी हो सकता है कि फिज़िकली प्रेज़ेंस के बावजूद भी इतनी दूर तक आपकी हम एनर्जी इंटरैक्ट कर लेते हैं अपने
Of
आप
course.
के साथ, दूसरों के साथ और नेचर के साथ।
ऑफ कोर्स यस, हमने भी यही सोचा था पहले, क्योंकि ये 1.5 year बिफोर वी वर ऑल मीटिंग फिजिकली एवरी डे, वी हैव पीपल कमिंग टू आवर होम एंड वी सिट इन meditation. So like after this pandemic had started, like Zoom came, Zoom came, and we thought, will it work? Like in Zoom sessions, people will able to be able to connect, or will they be able to experience, like we do experience in the physical sessions. So, but later we understood that it's not about physically meeting, or through technology we are meeting. So if I'm sitting here in Germany and you are in Pakistan, the energy grid is like from going from here to there, there to here. So it's the energy. It doesn't have like it's not like a thing. It is just what do you say? It doesn't have any boundaries as such. So it just
या
instantly connects. So maybe through technology or through physically, but physically it is like you have that human, like feelings and all these things, the presence. But thanks to Zoom, that we are able to connect with you all, and we are making very great and new friends. So like if this wouldn't have happened, trust me, we would have been busy in our own worlds. And like it's great thing whatever had happened, and I'm really happy that I met you all, and every day interacting with you brings me a lot of joy. And thanks to Zoom for that, and thanks to meditation for that.
थैंक यू,
Yeah, thank you so much, Asmati.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
Thank you. Yes. Yes, Dr. Geeta.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, Dr. Geeta here. Please go ahead.
First of all, I want to thank you so much that you have provided us such a nice facility and opportunity to mediate. It is my first experience, and it is so helpful because of for the 1 month I have suffering the disturbed sleeping, but I
Mhm.
have attained your just 3 section. I am experiencing a good sleep. It's just because of I think meditation. For the last 3 section, I'm feeling the fullness. I'm peaceful
Wow.
sleep,
Wow.
and hopefully it may help me in other ways too. And secondly, the way you talk, it seems you are each words full of patience. I'm very impressed the way you talk. I think this add more power to the meditation.
Mm. Wow. Wow. It's actually thanks to meditation, I would say. You should ask my husband and you should ask my mother and my family members how I was before meditation. So I was very angry person, like it is very easy for me to get angry very
No,
quickly.
it's really it's these are just example. These are
Yes,
medication can do. The way you
exactly.
talk, it just inspire me. That how you smoothly speak. The each words have the full of 100% patience. At the good feeling. Really appreciated, and
Wow.
I wish all the God always bless you for a wonderful the opportunity you are giving us. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Geeta. I'm very happy. Very happy. Where are you connecting from?
I'm from Pakistan, Karachi.
Okay, wonderful. Glad to meet you. Yes.
Yes,
Thank you.
surely.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, all right, friends. Anybody else wants to share? Yes, Manisha ji, you want to share something? Please go ahead.
Ma'am, one thing I forgot to
Mhm.
ask you
Okay.
that when I was alone, I mean, I had shared with you that nobody in my family was appreciating me. They were not giving me time. So at
Mhm.
that time, I was very much dependent on music. I
Okay.
mean, I used to just listen to music or dance with it, and I was just feeling it. I mean, by my such I just used to imagine such circumstances that are uh, beneficial for me. I mean, that the what I want to happen to me, but they
Mhm.
were not happening to me.
Mhm.
That used to excite me, but of course, I mean, as much as as long as I with the music, I was okay. But after music, I was again lonely, and the energy becomes down. So, ma'am,
Mhm.
I'm still with it, but I don't need it that much. But sometimes still, I mean, it's almost, ma'am, 12 years I was with it. So it's
Mhm.
not that so easy to forget it suddenly. I mean, now I need it maybe for 10 minutes in a week, or sometimes not even in a week or more. So, ma'am, should I just stop it totally, or it's okay? I mean, should I just be with it? I mean, I want to know.
You mean you're asking about the music, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you said the music is giving you relief, and that's why you're going to the music and you're dancing. Sometimes you dance with that music. Is that what your question
Yes,
is?
ma'am. Yes.
So is it good to do it, or is it should I stop? Is that question, right? So whatever makes you happy, Manisha, please go ahead with that. Don't stop yourself. And remember that do not escape from the situations. Yes, so far we have escaped, we have avoided, we did not confronted it. Now through meditation we will confront it, we will face it, whatever is the blockages, we will make it come out and we become free. And at the same time you have all the rights to enjoy your music, you dance, whatever it is, just enjoy life. Don't restrict yourself that feeling. So don't stop yourself. And the only request is, don't take music as a support to avoid the situations. So if something is coming up to you, I mean, previously it is fine, but now that you are aware, now that meditation is there with you, so do not avoid any situation. Don't escape from the situation. Be with the situation and observe it and let it go. So if you keep on avoiding those situations, then as Monaji was expressing that she removed that baggage. So if you keep on accumulating such experiences and ignoring such situations, so you are bagging everything. You know, you are thinking that you are removing it, but you are not removing it, but you are adding it to
ma'am.
your bag. So you know, like we face it and we make peace with it, and then we just move on from that. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. So great. All right, friends, then I will see you all again tomorrow. And please meditate whenever it is possible. And yes, friends, and be happy all the time. That is our, that is the mission. But here on this earth, and the only purpose of our life is to be happy. So always recognize that, know that, and meditate more so that you get this understanding. So be that fish who is in the ocean, not outside the ocean. So till we see each other, friends, tomorrow, have a lovely, lovely day. And for the ones who have asked the movie, then the movie which I have shared yesterday, that the movie name is, I'm going to type it here in the chat. So please, if for some reasons I'm unable to add you in the WhatsApp, I'll add you. But if I'm unable to add you in the WhatsApp, so this is the movie, The Shift, Ambition to Meaning. So, and if you watch, friends, tomorrow let us discuss about this. If you have any questions from this movie, or if you have anything that you have felt a little different after watching this movie, please come and share it with me. We'll be happy to have this interaction. Yeah. So till then, have a lovely day, friends. Bye-bye. Khudafiz.